Welcome to Piscator UK, the channel that will help you get started on your fishing journey and to help you catch more fish. At some point on your fishing journey, you will want to put new line on your fishing reel, whether it's a brand new reel or you want to change old fishing line on your reel for new fishing line. There's many fishing knots out there that you can use to attach fishing line to your reel. The Arbor Knot is probably the easiest and the best knot to use. The easiest way to tie the Arbor Knot is to remove the spool from your fishing reel. The knob on the top of your spool is the drag adjuster. Remove the drag adjuster by turning the knob anti-clockwise and remove the spool from your reel. The Arbor Knot can be used to attach all types of line to your fishing reel, including braid, monofilament and fluorocarbon. In this demonstration, I'm using thick line for visual purposes. Taking the end of your new fishing line, tie a simple overhand knot, otherwise known as a granny knot. Form a large loop at the end of your fishing line and cross over the end of the fishing line over the main line. We now call this the tag end. Take your tag end under the main line and tie a second overhand knot onto the tag end, making sure the first overhand knot passes all the way through the second overhand knot. Then gently tighten down on the second overhand knot. Take your spool and put the loop that you've just formed over the spool. At this stage, many anglers just tighten down on this single loop. But for braid can slip very easily, and I would recommend that you put at least another 2 turns into your loop over the spool. Now tighten down gently. You may need to move the main line back and forward until it cinches down properly, and you will see the first overhand knot sliding down to the second overhand knot. At this stage, I would recommend that you moisten your line with either saliva or water. Now tighten down on the knot fully. Using a sharp pair of scissors, cut off the tag end. I would recommend braid scissors, and these scissors are relatively inexpensive, and I will leave a link in the description. And you're now ready to spool your reel. For more information on how to spool your line properly, check out this link. Thanks for watching.